Hello everyone, we are back and today I have got a good news for you. Let's start with that. I've completed all the different levels of Tableau Community Forum and have achieved the title of Data Monarch. So now I have completed the triple titles of Tableau Desktop Server and now Data Monarch title from the Tableau Community, and only few Indians have got that, so I'm happy. That also means that I'll include more and more information from the Tableau Community Forum, and I'll present that in front of you from time to time. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel now if you have not done yet. So let's get started with today's topic. As you know that I have already created 2 videos on Tableau security, user level security. Today is the third one, which is the hybrid model, hybrid group solution that is based upon Tableau and behold.com website. So I am referring to that website. I'll paste that link, this blog link as well. So we have already completed part 1. So I will also paste the YouTube link of my first and second video. So this will be my third video. Although even if you start or if you watch this video, it is not connected with the previous videos, but complexity will increase. So maybe you can go to first and second first. Okay. So I have got 2 tables. One is the user table, another one is fact table. User table, so what is the query here? What is the use case? So I have user, okay, Matt, Brian, Nina, and I have a couple of users, Jordan and Rebecca, who are related to the region East, category technology. So they should be able to see the relevant region statistics or data, but at the same time Matt, Nina, they are CEO, EVP, so they are not confined to any region. So they should also see their relevant data. They should see all the data actually. So how to do that? So with this hybrid model, you will have to brush up if you are not in touch with the SQL, or if you are new, don't worry, these SQL queries are not very complex. And I am making use of Oracle database, Oracle tables instead. So if you have Windows machine, or even if you have Mac machine, there are a few workarounds. If you have Windows machine, then and you have Excel sheet, you have user Excel sheet and you have fact table Excel sheet, then there is one more link from Interworks. So I'll try to paste this as well. Custom SQL in Tableau 8.2, and you just forget about that 8.2, but how you can make use of custom SQL with Microsoft Excel. So I'll paste this link as well, but the important part is the join, how to join now, and I will give you a hands-on experience, and I will make use of my Oracle database so that you understand from the scratch. So this is my Oracle database, and I have created a couple of tables over there. The first one is user underscore Tableau. So I have the different users, and I'm there as well, Ritesh, and I have fact table as well. Yeah. So all should see Ritesh, I should see because I belong to that region. At the same time, Matt, Sudhir, John, they should also see because they are CEO. Yeah, it's a rough data, so you can see multiple CEO, but then you understand what I mean to say. Okay, let's move on. So what I need to do is I need to create a output like this, where I have, so first of all I need to join these 2 tables, table 1 and table 2, user and fact. So when I join these 2 tables on, I know this font must be small, so I'll go back to my SQL developer. So this is the same query, and I'll try to paste this at my YouTube description as well, so you can see. So I'll break that into 2 pieces so that you can understand it easily. So first one, like from there to here, what we are trying to do, first of all, so we need to make this output like this. Now why we need to make So what is this output? You can just see that we have joined these two tables, and we have added one more row having name as all. Rest of the thing is same, rest of the thing is you are just joining these records with this single fact, right? So we are joining with this, and we have to join with this as well. So here we can join because we have common columns over there, but how to join this fact with Matt, Nina, and the other EVPs, CEOs? So let us start with the first one. I want to join Jordan Rebecca with which is the easier one, where I'll join. Okay, let me show you. So I'm joining. Let me take the first part, and so try to understand that. Okay, it's simple. I'm selecting category, city, state, region, product, and there are two tables, fact and user. I'm joining on category and state. So that's fine, because if you go back and see category and region, so you can see you have the common columns over there. So this is quite straightforward. Okay, after running this, I've got this. So fair enough. Ritesh, RIBSHT, joined with the fact table. Now I need to create the third row, which is category null. So that means I need to join Matt, Nina. They are not having region. I need to join them as well to this very particular output to get the first row itself. So what I need to do, first of all, I'll just show you the last part over there. I'll just run the last part. I'm not doing the union now. So you have to just replace the columns which are not there as null. So you can see over there, user null as user region, null as role. And why we are doing it like this? Because later on we have to do union. So in order to combine, in order to join, or in order to union the last two rows with the first one, we need to have the same number of columns with the same sequence. That means category, city, even if there are columns for which there are no values for the CEOs, like region, as we have already seen over there, that's fine. Still we need to include those columns as null, so that later on we can make use of this union. For union, we need same number of columns and the same sequence with the same data type. Okay, now I am going to combine. Okay, fair enough. So now we have got the desired output like this. We have got the desired output, but still we need to do one exercise, that is the calculation, user filter calculation. So what I'll do now is I'll make a user filter. I'll say if username is equal to name, then 1, else if is member of executive, then if name is equal to all, then 1, else 0. That means that if username is equal to name, now what is this username? Username is your name, your login name, right? So if the username is name, then 1, that's fine. That means row level security. Else if is member of executive, then if name is equal to all, then 1, else 0. That means if you are member of that very particular group. So this group, you are going to create this group at Tableau server. Or let me show you something. Tableau server groups creation. So this is the way you create a group, right? So imagine that you have created a group called as executives, and after that you have add users to a group. This is the way you add users to a group. Fair enough? So when we say that executives, it's like this. Like you can see marketing ID. So you have created a group called executive, and after that you have add users to that group. So fair enough? Yeah. So we are talking about that group over there. Don't confuse. Then if name is equal to all, the name that we have included here with the help of this SQL query, you can see here, then they should also see. So I'll take you directly to the user filter. You can see over there, if username is equal to username, then one, else if it's member of executive. So right now I have logged in as myself, and you can see my name over there, and you can also see the user table. So I am the regional manager for that region. So I can see that now the executives should also see. So one of the executive is John Miran, and I have a screenshot for you. So I cannot show you how I am changing this to the executive because of the security reason again, but I have the screenshot with me. So if that very particular, because I am the admin, so I can on the right hand side lower side, if you are also an admin, you must be knowing that you can change the username to anyone if you are an admin. So I've changed that offline, and I can show you this is the screenshot. So here you can see John Miran, who is the executive, and he can also, you can see the username is coming as all. That we did with the help of that SQL query, and he can also see the same record, right? So I hope that makes sense, and there are relevant videos, blogs related to this very particular user level security. So I'll make sure that I'll add the same to my YouTube description. So thanks everyone. Do subscribe to my channel. Now you have got one more reason. Tableau Community, Data Monarch title. So I'll get you more stuff from the Tableau Community forum as well. So thank you. Take care and bye bye.